how are you all? My name is Soumya and I am your Psyche Tarot card reader, healer, stylist, plus chef by hobby. So, I am doing today reading about what your person higher self wants to say you. So, I have kept today two decks over here, so you have to choose between any two of them. Deck Deck 1 is White Rider Tarot pack and Deck 2 is the Muse Tarot. सो हम ये जानेंगे कि आपके पर्सन के अंदर की सोल की आत्मा क्या बोलना चाहती है आपको, उनका अंदर का सोल क्या बोलना चाहता है. सो आई बी डूइंग दिस रीडिंग ऑन हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ. सो दिस वुड बी अ जनरल रीडिंग गाइस. टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट विद यू. So take a deep breath, choose your pile and thanks for your support and keep on supporting me. Love you all. So let's start with our deck 1. Those who choose White Rider Tarot pack. Let's see what your person higher self wants to say you. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 1 what their person higher self wants to say to them. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of Pentacles. This could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could be. What deck 1 person higher self wants to say to them? What deck 1 person higher self wants to say to them? I got 10 of Wands. What deck 1 person higher self wants to say to them? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What deck 1 person higher self wants to say to them? Okay, I got another card here, which is 4 of Cups reverse. Okay, I am having a vision here, like आपके जो person है वो definitely आपसे बात करने की कोशिश करना चाह रहे हैं. They want to work for you. They might go off. उनको खुद बुरा लगता है जब आप उनसे दूर भाग जाते हो. Okay, they feel very bad while you run away, so they are working hard for you. Right now they want to work hard for you. In fact, when they refused your proposal, so they feel like what they are doing, like they might don't tell you but they feel bad while refusing you. Like you might have offered them and they must have refused you, but right now I'm seeing that energy that this person, like they want to come out of their karmic situation and want to offer you a cup. See, like this person is coming out of this energy now. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see what is more there for you. Or you could be in these signs. 2 of Cups. I told you, no, they want to offer you a marriage proposal. They want to spend a life with you, like they want to love you a lot. There is 10 of Swords. Okay, this person will right now is going through some karmic situation right now. They are with third parties. ये थर्ड पार्टी से फंसे हुए हैं आपके पर्सन, कुछ लोगों के. एंड कुछ लोगों के मैं ये देख पा रही हूँ, ये अभी अपनी जो आपको ये रेफ्यूज कर रहे थे उससे ये निकलेंगे एंड आपकी इनके साथ न्यू बिगनिंग होने वाली है. डेफिनेटली आई एम हैविंग अ विजन लाइक दे मस्ट हैव हर्ट यू बट दे आर हर्ट to themselves a lot. They are themselves hurt a lot right now. So their higher selves want to say you like they are working hard right now for making their own money. Maybe there can be some financial issues or family issues around them. So this blockage they want to finish up and they want to come towards you. Okay, so they want to come towards you. They want to offer you a cup and you are a soulmate, guys. This is definitely a new connection I am seeing. For others, if you are talking to this person will come back in 10 months. For others, you will get your answers in minimum 1 year. For other 10 months, 10 weeks. You can see here, like you can see number like 11 11 a lot, 10 10 a lot, 1010 222. So this person is juggling a lot right now. Right now they are confused what to say. Right now they are scared what to tell you, what not to tell you. And yeah, this person has their own lineage. They want to build up their own legacy. Like they are doing some family business definitely. And yeah, definitely this person watches abundance with you. And this person could be a dog lover, cat lover, or you could be having dogs. Okay, let's see what my oracle says for you. What is there for deck 1? What their person higher self wants to say to my deck 1 people. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 1? Okay, suppression. Right now this person want to be alone. That's why they have refused you not to take your proposal. So this person want to be alone. Like many, they hurt a lot. Like I'm watching, like this person have hurt you a lot in past, in present. Right now if you're dealing with this new person, so this person might hurt you, and they will like be in like, let me be alone, back and forth, back and forth. They will come and go. They don't want you to be with others. Like, but I am watching like they want to like enter to your world very fast. This person is like, they just want to grab you, they want to hug you, love you, and they want to come very faster to you. Now, like as I told, like this is your soulmate. So back and forth, this person will come, leaving everything behind. They will offer you a marriage proposal. This person will offer you a marriage proposal. And yes, this is your soulmate and this is a meant to be connection. So right now this person is totally stressed right now. Maybe there are some people around them who are guiding them totally wrong. There could be, I would say, some bad monkeys around this man, like how you see in this picture, how it's portrayed. Like there is a bad monkey or a bad person or their friends who are guiding them too badly, and they are totally in stress. For others, this person is in stress because they are keeping themselves alone for their work and they want to work hard for you. They are working hard for you right now. And yeah, this person will slowly come towards to you. Your love will be growing very slowly with them. Right now this person will not propose you, but yes, sooner this person will offer you a family offer, and you will be like getting married in few months or 1 year. It could happen for some. Let's see what your love's angel says. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 1, what their higher selves, what their person higher selves want to say them. What deck 1 person higher selves want to say to pile 1. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring your romance. So yeah, you need to stay optimistic. I am like having a vision like you both guys, everyone over here, those who have chosen deck 1, this is for everyone right now. Like you need to stay a little positive. Like you are being like too way negative right now. You are not letting go whatever is happening to you. Once you let go, this person will definitely take action very intensively. Once you ignore them, I am having a vision, most of you have cut off from this person. Okay, what deck 1 person higher self wants to say to them. आप जैसे इस पर्सन से कट ऑफ करेंगे, ये उतनी जल्दी आपके पास आएंगे. प्लस डेफिनेटली दे विल एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स सूनर. They want to say to you, but they are hiding somewhere lots of things. Yeah, calling your soulmate. As I told, this person is your soulmate. Your prayers and Affirmations and visualization help you to bring together. So this is your soulmate connection, and definitely this is someone new. For others, if you are dealing with your old partner, or presently you are dealing with them in no contact also, their higher selves are your soulmate. Their higher selves are only think that you are only their soulmates. Right now they might not be telling you, but yeah, they will definitely see you in coming days. What is there for my deck 1? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Is it safe for you to love? Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Yes, this person is definitely safe to love, guys. Like, angels are also guiding you. Yes, this person is very loyal towards you. You don't need to be insecure, whatever is happening with you. And end of the deck is again soulmate. So this is a definitely high level soulmate, guys. This is your soulmate connection. Yes, this is your soulmate, so you do not need to worry. Pile 1, you don't need to worry. Like, there will be a spiritual awakening soon with this person. Right now, whoever is took in your pile 1, आपकी already spiritual awakening चल रही है. And yes, you are also juggling with this person. Like, you are confused, so they are also getting confused. So hope my reading resonated with you. Do let me know in comment box and don't forget to like. So let's go with our Muse Tarot deck to those who have chosen Muse Tarot. Let's see what your person higher self wants to say you. What is there for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me what their person higher self wants to say to them. What's their person higher self want to say to them? Okay, I got here Justice, 4 of Wands. This person is saying again, this is so much connected to deck 1. I think you should check out deck 1 too. If you are choosing deck 2, please check out deck 2. There is similar cards, similar vibes I'm getting. So yeah, this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is a Capricorn, Virgo. I am getting the energy of Capricorn, Virgo a lot. So yes, this person wants a home from you. Right now this person is thinking to bring a whole home, build a home with you guys, okay? Like right now this person is in rest. They are just thinking. Yes, like जो भी आपके साथ पास में अगर हुआ होएगा बुरा, मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है कि आपके साथ जस्टिस डेफिनेटली होने वाला है. दिस पर्सन कुड बी इवन इन अ लॉ. ओके, योर पर्सन कुड बी इन अ लॉ, यू कुड बी इन अ लॉ ऑल्सो. ये कुछ लीगल बैटल भी चल सकता है आपका इनके साथ. देयर इज़ अ 9 ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन, अगेन 9 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स. ओके, देर आर सम ब्लॉकेजेस विच are like blocking this person right now. They are like just want to overcome with it, and like they are coming towards you. What I am having a thinking, like in intuition, my intuition is saying this person will definitely come towards to you, but right now they are like searching you somewhere. Like there are 2 blockages with this person I am watching, and like they are like, what is happening with them? What is there for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me what their person higher self wants to say them. Angel Spirit, please guide me what their person higher self wants to say them. Okay, 7 of inspiration. Okay, this person will definitely break the rules, and they are breaking rules right now in their mind. They want to come towards you, and yes, this situation is like, okay, I am just ready to come to you. Okay, and 2 of cups is there, 2 of emotions. So this is your soulmate. Again, most of you are here dealing with your new partner over here. For others, you are dealing with your karmic soulmate. And others who are dealing with the twin flame also, like twin flame soulmate, they are not same guys for me. I prefer it, they are very different. Okay, soulmate connection is like very pure. Twin flame is like, for me it's a very hard thing. Like being in a twin flame journey, I know what it is, so I don't prefer it so much. Good connection, it is like runner and gamer thing, runner and chaser, sorry. So one is chasing over there and other is running, and one is pretending to be like, oh I don't deserve love, oh it is like that. So I'm having a vision like runner and chaser over here. It is like your twin flame and soulmate over here for others. There is the star, so this person is seeing you growing a lot. You are growing with your legacy, आप बहुत ज़्यादा growth कर रहे हो. So this person will definitely come towards to you, breaking all the rules. For others, you are dealing with this is a past person. Let's see what your oracles wants to say to you, what their higher self wants to say to you. What your person higher self want to say to you for my deck two people. What are their person higher self wants to say to them. Angel spirit, please guide me. What are their person higher self wants to say there. Okay, control. I'm having a vision like they are trying to like control, or they have tried to control, like you act accordingly to them only, as like they want like a benefit of friend with you for most of the people over here. For others, this person was like dominating towards you a lot. They were trying to control you in the past, and yeah, right now still they want to control over you. This person is like totally confused. This person will be definitely like, as I see nine of inspiration, which is nine of wands. Yes, this person is overthinking, like they have many options but they are still thinking about you, so they want to come towards you totally. And yeah, what is there for deck 2, what their person's higher self wants to say to them. Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? But for others, I am watching, this is a pure soulmate connection and you will definitely get justice from this person. Like what you didn't get from your past, you will get from this person, whosoever you are dealing with. What is there for deck 2? What their person higher self wants to say to them. Stress. Again, this is similar to deck 1. So this person is stressing a lot, like regarding third parties, I guess, because I'm having like whoever is blocking them, there is like a blockages of third party family issues. For others, there could be a lady. I am having a vision like, yes, there is a lady. What is there for deck 2? Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? What their person higher selves want to say to them. Okay, transformation. Sharing. Like this person is really watching you, like you are growing a lot. You are becoming star every day, as I said. Like yeah, they want to build up home from you. Like this is definitely like pile 1, so you should watch once it. You should watch once this pile. Okay guys, yeah. This person is like, yes, you are a star lady and your transformation is going on, so yes, even they are having their spiritual awakening. So they want to come towards you and they want to share their love, their feelings. They want to build up a family with you. See, end of the deck, celebration. So yes, they will definitely marry you guys, and yeah, they will share their bond, and they might introduce to you to their mom, dad, sisters, brothers. What is there for deck 2? Angel spirit, please guide me. What their highest self wants to say to them. Angel Spirit, please guide me what their person higher self wants to say to them. Yes, I got stay optimistic about your love life. So you need to stay a positive, guys. The more you stay positive, your faith will be like turning into romance. It will bring more romance. So you need to stay positive. Love yourself first. I think like this is your energy. You are not loving yourself. You are not keeping yourself first. This person might have ignored you before, but yeah, for others this person wants to build home from you, but they want you to build yourself in a very high level. For others, you are already growing a lot. You are having a transformation. आपके लाइफ में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी चल रहा है. इस पर्सन का तो हो ही रहा है. इनकी स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग चल रही है अभी. And yes, this person have romantic feeling for you guys. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So definitely this person loves you a lot. They might don't tell you, but yes. See again, calling in your soulmate. I told you, no, like this person wants home from you. And yeah, they are your soulmate. Two of Cups again. So this is your soulmate, guys. So you need to do affirmation, guys. Take a help of law of attraction, Loa. Okay, and like say everything in present, like use rose quartz. Take it in your heart, and like just like do deep breathings and do it with candle at late nights. I prefer that because late night, whatever you do, visualization or anything healing, it definitely works out. Especially in full moon, I think you should do it. Okay, this person is like, yes, you can wait for this person if you are trying to wait. So this person is definitely a loyal, guys, and yeah, they are worth waiting for if you are single here. And definitely if you are dealing with this person and right now this person keeping you single, but yes, even universe is saying, their higher self is saying, please wait for me. So this was my reading for deck 2. So hope my reading resonated with you guys. Please let me know on comment box. And don't forget to like my channel, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you everybody. Love you a lot and thank you for support. So keep on subscribing my channel, and thank you for lovely decks over here. So thank you. Love you, my loves.